Hi and welcome. This video shares the steps for writing a viable research topic with novice researchers and how it can help guide their work. A research topic is considered the cornerstone of any PhD thesis because it serves as the foundation upon which the entire research project is built. Coming up with a research topic can be quite daunting if you're new to research. This video provides an explanation on how to craft a viable research topic in a PhD study. At the end of the video, I hope you will be able to apply the steps to develop your research interest into a viable research topic. Why is a research topic significant to a study? A well written research topic is crucial for the success of any research project. There are six key reasons explaining its significance and the steps to properly craft it. Let's look at each one of them. A research topic defines the scope and direction of the study. It determines the specific area of focus for the thesis, guiding the objectives, methodology, and scope of the study. A well defined topic ensures that the research remains focused and manageable. It helps you organize the literature review and guides you through writing up each section of the thesis. Defining the research topic guides you in structuring your work, determines the information you need, and helps you choose the appropriate method for collecting data. The chosen topic highlights the researcher's intent to address a knowledge gap, solves a specific problem, or contributes to an ongoing academic conversation. It justifies the importance of the study and relevance to the domain. The research topic drives methodological choices. It influences the choice of methods and approaches used to gather and analyze data. For example, a topic involving behavior may require qualitative methods, while one in engineering might rely on experimental designs. In a PhD, the topic must reflect originality, demonstrating how the study contributes new knowledge or perspectives to the discipline. A strong topic sets the stage for innovative and impactful findings. A topic aligns the expertise and interests of the researcher. It represents the intersection of the researcher's interests and expertise. At the same time, it ensures sustained motivation and engagement throughout the long and demanding process of a doctoral research. A research topic influences the research outcomes and impact. A well chosen topic has the potential to yield meaningful results and attract the attention of academics and professional audiences. At the same time, it paves the way for future opportunities in the researcher's career. Basically, a good research topic should be able to capture the essence of the study and gives a general idea how the study contributes possible solutions to the research problem. For a novice researcher, the starting point would be from an initial research idea that sets the stage for a detailed and insightful analysis of the research problem. How do we begin our search for a viable research topic? Research ideas for a study come from a variety of sources. It can come from your own experience, reading, current observations, talking to peers, public information, and many more. There are no formulas for generating research ideas. One effective approach is to ask yourself some relevant questions. Your answers will be able to help you move forward. There are four sets of questions to ask: inward looking questions, outward looking questions, general questions about the domain, and questions on how you build on what is already known. Inward looking questions are questions about yourself. What are you curious about? What are you passionate about? What have you wondered about as being a subject matter expert in your intended domain? On the other hand, outward looking questions are questions about the phenomena you have observed. What do you think are the most pressing problems in your research domain? Which problems are you in the best position to address? What significant changes would your research bring to the stakeholders? For the questions about the general landscape of the domain, we can consider these questions. What are the main areas of research in the field? What are the big questions asked here? These are some of the possible questions about how you can build on what is already known. What have you read about in the research literature that caught your attention? What have you read that prompted you to think about extending the professor's knowledge about this? What have you read that made you ask, I wonder why this is true? Now that you have managed to explore some initial ideas from various sources, what do you do next? You refine the idea further by doing plenty of reading about the background of the subject of your interest. Continue reading, thinking, writing, and reflecting on the idea until you become clear of the issues you have developed an interest in. You may also add other questions to clarify your research focus. In the broad research area, you may ask, what is your general field of study? For example, management, engineering, sociology, or health. In the specific research interest, the question could be, are there specific topics, theories, or issues you are passionate about within your field? For current knowledge, one question would be, do you have any gaps or unresolved questions from previous research that intrigue you? For practical applications, you may ask, are you interested in solving a real world problem or contributing to theoretical advancements? A relevant question for resources and feasibility is, do you have any access to particular data sets, tools, or resources that could shape your research topic? Here are some tips for selecting a strong research topic. To assess gaps in existing literature, you can identify unresolved questions or underexplored areas in your field. To consider societal or practical relevance, choose a topic that addresses real world problems or emerging challenges. To ensure its feasibility, you evaluate the availability of resources, time, and access to data needed for your study. And lastly, seeking alignment with your supervisor or a subject matter expert for a topic within their area of expertise can facilitate guidance and support. To better understand this process, let us look at some illustrations here. One question you can ask yourself about the literature gap is, have I identified areas in the literature that need further exploration? From reviewing several literature sources, you may claim that there is little research on how AI influences creative industries in small scale enterprises. For emerging trends issues, you can ask this question: what are the new technologies, methods, or global challenges in my field? And one possible research topic would be exploring the role of renewable energy in achieving sustainable urbanization in low income countries. From the interdisciplinary perspective, you can ask a question like, Could my research bridge two or more domains? Another example of a research topic for this is combining neuroscience and education to develop innovative teaching strategies for children with ADHD. A specific context question like, is there a particular geographic, cultural, or institutional context I wish to explore, can lead you to propose a topic like investigating the challenges of implementing e learning in rural schools in Malaysia. By now, you would have realized that research problem is at the center of all our research activities. It is the unifying thread that runs through all the elements of our research endeavors. To be able to write a good and valuable research topic, you have to be clear of the research problem you intend to solve right from the beginning. If you find this video useful, please subscribe, comment, like and share so that more can be created.